Hi everyone, this is Krishnara Maths IIT faculty. Today we have to discuss about the factorization of cubic polynomial. Already we discussed the factor theorem and Riemann theorem. Today you have to discuss factorization of cubic polynomial. Given cubic polynomial, first you have to take the constant term. This constant term, write its factors. Here factors, thereafter suitable factors you have to substitute here in p of x or f of x instead of x instead of. First you have to write here 45 factors. 45 factors is 1 plus or minus you have to take here plus or minus, it is also divisible by 3 also. Next it is a factor. Next 5, next plus or minus 9 and plus or minus 15, next plus or minus 45. Right, first all factors. Next here plus 1 minus 1 you have to substitute here. This is equal to 0 means here x is equal to 1 is a factor. Suppose x is equal to minus 1, it is also becomes 0 means x is equal to minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Now you have to check here. This is a polynomial means you have to write here p of x is equal to x cube plus 13x square plus 31x minus 45. Now you have to substitute here 1. P of 1 is equal to here 1 cube plus 13 into 1 square plus 31 into 1 minus 45. Now see here 1 plus 13 plus 31 minus 45. Here 31, here 44, 45. See here, this one you have to add 1 plus 13, 14. 14 plus 31 is 45. It is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1 is a factor. Therefore, x is equal to 1 satisfied means here x is equal to 1 means x is equal to 1 means here this is and this side means x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Now you have to check minus 1. You have to check minus 1. Here p of minus 1. Minus 1 it is because 0 or not we have to check minus 1 whole cube plus 13 into minus 1 whole square plus 31 into minus 1 minus 45. See here minus 1 whole cube minus 1 here plus 13 here minus into plus minus here 45. This is not equal to 0. Why? Because this is minus 45 and minus 81. Here 76 77 minus 30. This is not equal to 0. That's why this is not a factor. That's why don't write this one. Again you have to try. Here this is a trial and error method. Here how many factors has given, you have to check one by one. Now f of 3 p of 3 plus 3 you can check here. 3 cube plus 13 into 3 cube plus 31 into 3 cube minus 45. Now 3 cube is equal to 27 plus here 3 cube 27, here this is square. This is 31 into x. Now see here 27, here 3 square 9 into 13, 39 is 117 plus 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 45. Now see here, this is a positive is greater than negative, then this is not equal to 0. This is also not possible, then you can leave it this one. Now you have to check one more. 5 you can check it here. Next p of 5. P of minus 3 also you have to check, and that is also not possible. You have to take 5. P of 5 also not possible. Actually I know that, that's why I will write the minus 5. Minus 5 whole cube plus 13 into minus 5 whole square plus 31 into minus 5 minus 45. Now see here, this is a 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5 minus 125. Here minus power odd number means minus. Next here minus power even number means plus. 5 5s are 25, 25 into 13. 13 5s are 65, 13 2s are 26 is equal to 32, 325. Next 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 minus 45. Now you have to add, this is 325 minus here 125, 155, 45. Here 15, here 10, 12, 325 minus 325. It is equal to 0. Therefore, here x plus 5 is a factor of p of x. Now see here, this is a cubic polynomial. How many factors are possible? 3 factors. One more you have to check here. Here P of, here one more is you have to write here minus 9. You can write here minus 9. Right here. Here minus 9 power 3 plus 13 into minus 9 square plus 31 into minus 9 minus 45. Now see here. Minus 9 cube. 9 into 9, 81. 81 into 9, 729. This is a minus. Next 9 square, 81. 81 into 13. 81 into 13. 13 ones are 13. 13 8 ja 104 plus 105,053 plus 1053. Next one is here 9 ones are minus 9 and 9 threes are 27. 27. Next minus 45. Now see here plus is 1053. Here minus you have to check here 729, 279 and 45. Now see here 9 to 18, 23. Here 14 plus 4, 2, 6, 13, 15. This is 10 minus 1053. It is equal to 0. See here, this is equal to 0. That's why here x plus 9 is a factor of p of x. Now already this is one factor, this is also one factor, and this is also one more factor. 3 factors already came. Now p of x is equal to, you have to write here product of this one, x minus 1 into x plus 5 into x plus 9. These 3 factors. This is the factor. This is one method. I will explain by using divisional algorithm, and one more is you have to factorize. This one is synthetic division. This is the first method you have to note down. Once again see here, given polynomial constant term, you have to write all the factors. All the factors means this 45 is divisible by which numbers you have to check. That numbers plus or minus you have to take here. Then each and every number you have to substitute here x instead of. Then which value, which constant value it is equal to 0, then you have to check each and every value. Here 1, minus 1, 3 plus 5, minus 5, each and everything you have to substitute here. Then here only 3 values only possible. It becomes 0. Why? Because this is a cubic polynomial. That 3 value you have to find out in this among the, this is 4, 5, 6 factors. Then which one is equal to 0? That 3 you have to, p of x is equal to x minus 1, x plus 5, x plus 9. This is the factor theorem. Same problem I will explain by using division algorithm how it is means. Here one property is there. Which property means? Here first one is sum of all coefficient is equal to 0. Then x minus 1 is a factor of, x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial p of x. Next, the second point is sum of all even power coefficient are equal to sum of all odd power coefficient. Then x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. See here once again Sum of all coefficient equal to 0. Suppose you have to add here 1 plus 13, 14, 14 plus 31, 14 plus 31, 45. 45 minus 45, it is equal to 0. Then x minus 1 is a factor. Okay. Next, you have to take any other polynomial, that is sum of the odd coefficient is equal to sum of the even coefficient. That is also equal to 0, means here x plus 1 is a factor. See our example, x cube minus 23 x square plus 142x minus 120. Here sum of even power coefficient. Even power means this is odd. Even power is here, this is even power 2. Here minus 23. Next even power 0. This is minus 120. It is equal to how much? Minus 143. Then here 1 plus 42. 142. 1 plus 142 is equal to 143. Here this is plus minus 143. This is plus 143. That's why both are not equal. That's why this is our x plus 1 is not a factor. But here sum is there. Sum means you have to add sum, means it is equal to 0. Then x plus x minus 1 is a factor here. This example. You have to take another example. See here in this example, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. See here now here sum of all even powers. Even powers where it is here, this is even power. Even power, its coefficient is 13. Next here even power is 20 is equal to 33. Now odd power, sum of the all odd powers means this is odd power is 1. Next odd power is here power 1, then 32 is equal to 33. Now you have to substitute here x is equal to x plus 1 is a factor, this one. Then x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1, it is equal to 0. Then x plus 1 is a factor of this one. Understand each and everything easily. Then here first one is sum of all coefficient is equal to 0. Sum of all coefficient is equal to 0. Then x minus 1 is a factor. Second one is sum of all even power coefficients are equal to sum of all odd power coefficients. Then x plus 1 is a factor of v of x. Then this is example. Okay. Next we have to check some problems. In this problem we have to use division algorithm. Then see here sum of the all coefficient is equal to 0. Then x minus 1 is a, here sum of all coefficient is equal to 0. Then x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor of this is a phi of x. Then you have to divide x minus 1. This polynomial divided by this x minus 1. Then x minus 1 you have to write here. Given one x cube plus 13x square plus 31x minus 45. Let's see how to divide. See here x cube, here x. Then which number you have to multiply here? It is equal to x cube. If you don't know means you have to write here x cube by x, you have to write here first. X cube by x. This is x minus 1 as given. X first we have to write here. Here this one is write as x square into x by x. Bases equal, powers also you have to add x square into x. Here one x cancel. Then you have to multiply it by x square. Understand children? Listen. Now x square into x cube. Next x square into 1 minus x square. Now you have to change the symbols here. This is plus instead of minus, minus instead of plus. Subtraction. Then these two cancel. Next 13 minus 1 is equal to 13 plus 1 here plus. After changing the symbol, which sign is down is there, you have to check. There here 13 times x square, here 1 time. Total 14 times x square. Now you have to take this one is 31x. Again, you have to multiply which variable means here 14x is there. Here x. Then you have to divide 14x square by x. This one rewrite as 14 into x, 14x into x. Bases equal means powers you have to add here x. This one cancel. Then 14x you have to divide by 14x. This 14x here plus or minus which symbol is here? Plus. Then you have to write here plus 14x. Understand? Now see here 14x into x. 14x square. 14x into minus 1. Minus into plus minus 14x. Then this is minus here plus. This one cancel. Here 31. Here 14. Here plus 14. Then here 5. 3 plus 1 4. 45x. Again this last term you have to take 45. Here x, here 45x, then you have to multiply it by 45, this x minus 1 means it is equal to 45, plus 45 and 45 into x, 45x minus 45 into 1 minus 45. Listen. Now you know that, see here, division algorithm, you know that here dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then here p of x is equal to, that is dividend is equal to divisor x minus 1 into quotient x square plus 14x plus 45. Now here normal method you have to use the splitting of middle term, this one. Splitting of middle term, x minus 1 into here x square. X square, how to write here? X square into here 1 its coefficient, here 45. 45 is write as here 9 5 is 45. 9 plus 9 5 is 45. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Now x square plus 9x plus 5x plus 45. Now see. Here x minus 1 into, in these two terms you have to take which one is common, x common, and here x plus here 9. In these two terms which one is common, 5 is common, plus 5 is common, x plus 5 how many times, 9 times. Now x minus 1 into here whole term which one is common, x minus x plus 9 and remaining x plus 5, x plus 5. You have to factorize, this is another method. Same here, we know that this is x minus 1 is a factor. Suppose before we don't know this like means how to do, see here. Okay, see here, this is one method. Suppose we are also not using this is a division algorithm means, then how to do, see here, that is also there. Here x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Then how to write means here, first you have to take x cube plus here 13x square. In this one you have to take common one means here x minus 1. It is also x minus 1. Then how to write here? This is 13x square. 13x square how to write? How to write means you have to write here. This one is minus x square plus 14x square. This one is write as minus x square. In this two you have to take common x square means here x minus 1. Then you have to add here minus x square. And here this is add means 1x square you have to add means here 14x square. 14 minus 1, 13x square. Now this constant term you have to write here. This is a 45. Then here 45 means here 45x you can write here. 45x. This 31 is write as 45. Here 45 you have to take common means x minus 1. Then how it is means here 31 minus 49 means how much here? 14. That is minus 14x. Here 45 minus 14 is equal to 31. See here, these two terms you have to rewrite as, this is 13x square is write as 14x square minus x square. Next this 31 is split as 45x minus 14x. How, why we will write this like means, here you have to take in these two terms is x minus 1. 45 you have to take out means x minus 1. In these two terms you have to take x square means here x minus 1. That is the common factor of here. You have to take here x square common means x minus 1. X square into x cube. Here minus x square into 1 x square. Plus in these two terms you have to take common means 14x. 14x means here x minus 1. In these two terms you have to take common 45 means x minus 1. Now x minus 1 is common all terms, then you have to take common. Then remaining x square plus 14x plus 45. 45. Now you have to split the middle term. Middle term already you know that this is right as 9 into 5. 9 into 5. This is 45. Then 9 plus 5 is equal. This is middle term. X minus 1 into here x common means x plus 14. First you have to write here x square plus 9x plus 5x plus 45. Now x minus 1 into, here in these two terms which one is common? X is common, x plus 9. In these two terms which one is common? 5 is common, x plus 9. Now whole term x minus 1 into, in these two terms x plus 9 is common and here remaining is x plus 5. This like you have to factorize. Okay. See here, one more method I will explain. That is a division, synthetic division method. That is also very easy. You can follow any method also, no problem. This is CCE pattern. Synthetic division. Synthetic division, how it is means, here what has given in this polynomial, write all the coefficient first according to this degree descending order. Degree descending order means here cubic, here x cube its coefficient is 1, next x square coefficient is 13, next x coefficient is 31, and here minus 45. This is as it is, you have to write. First you have to write here 0. First you have to write is 0. Next here x is equal to, here you can substitute 1, 2, 3, 4, anyone also. Already we know that x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Then x is equal to 1. Then you can write here 1. Then you can add here. Add here. 1 plus 0. First any polynomial as given means first you have to put here 0. Then you have to add. Then that number you have to multiply this number and write here and again add. 1 into 1, 1. 1 plus 13, 14. 14 into 1, 14. You have to add again. This is 45. 45 into 1 plus 45. This is 0. Okay, after this is the constant term. Constant term. This is x term. This is x square coefficient. Constant x square. Now you know that this is quadratic equation as given means you know that how to do. Now see here, p of x is equal to x minus 1 into x square plus 14x plus 45. Now you know that how to do. X minus 1 into here x plus 5 into x plus 9. This is how to do, you know that, this 50. This is the synthetic division. Okay, factorize x cube minus 23 x square plus 142x minus 120. This is example 15, page number 43. Listen. Given polynomial, first you have to write here p of x is equal to x cube minus 23 x square plus 142x minus 120. Now you have to write all coefficient 1 minus 23 plus 142 minus 120. Now 143 plus 1, 140, 142 plus 1, 143, 23 minus 120, 140 is equal to 0. Then x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor. Sum of the all coefficient is equal to 0. Then x minus 1 is a factor. Here, right here, sum of all coefficient is equal to 0. Then x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Okay, I already explained different methods. Now you can leave it each and every method you have to follow. This is this method only. First you have to write here sum of all coefficient equal to 0. Then x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Now you have to write all coefficient by using synthetic division method. 1 here minus 23, 142 minus 120. First you have to write here x is equal to, here x is equal to how much? X is equal to minus 1. Then x is equal to 1. X minus 1 is a factor of p of x. X minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to how much? 1 only. That's why x is equal to 1 you have to write here. First x is equal to 1. Here you have to put the 0 first. 0 and 0. Here you have to add 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Now minus 23 plus 1, minus 22. Minus 22 into 1, minus 22. Now you have to add, this is 120. 120 into 1 plus 120. Here minus 120 plus 120, 0. 0. Now you have to write here p of x is equal to, here x is equal to 1 means x minus 1 is a factor. At the same time, this is the constant term. This is x coefficient. This is x square coefficient. Here 1 into x square plus minus 22 x plus 120. You have to write here. Then here x minus 1. Now what you will do, you have to split the middle term, this one. Then 22 is here, 120 is right as 10 into 12, 10 12s are 120, 10 plus 12 minus 22. Here x square minus 10x minus 12x plus 120. This is the one of the easiest method. Then you have to write here x minus 1 into, in these two terms you have to take common, x minus 10. In these two terms you have to take common 12, minus 12, minus into plus, minus, here minus into minus, plus, here 10, 12 into 10, 120. Now x minus 1 into here, x minus 10 is common, you have to take x minus 10. Now remaining is x minus 12. This is the factorization. All the children, you have to follow this like method, is very easy. First you have to find out this is the sum of the coefficient, it is equal to 0 or not. Or second one is sum of the odd coefficient is equal to sum of the even coefficient. That is also not possible, means first you have to write all the coefficients according to degree descending order. Thereafter you have to check x is equal to 1 minus 1, not possible, means you have to take x is equal to 2 or minus 2, 3, minus 3, that like also you have to take. Then which one is the last term is equal to 0, that is a factor of this polynomial. Then already if we know that the first one factor means remaining, you know that splitting of middle term. Okay, you have to follow this like. Okay, divide, this is example 7. Divide the polynomial 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x by minus 1 by x minus 1 by using long division method. You have to write here x minus 1 divides 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. Okay, here 3x to the power of 4, here x, then 3x to the power of 4 by x you have to write. This one is write as 3x cube into x to the power of 4 only. This x cancel, then 3x cube remaining. 3x cube you have to write here. 3x cube into x, 3x to the power of 4. Next 3x cube into minus 1 minus 3x cube. Now change the sign, here minus, here plus. Now see. This one is cancel, plus minus cancel same times, here minus, here plus, minus 4 times, here plus 3 times, then minus 1 time x cube. Now you have to write here, this is 3x, here minus x cube, again you have to divide by this x first term, then this one is write as minus x square into x by x. One x cancel, then you have to write here, you have to multiply it by minus x square. See. Minus x square into x minus x cube minus x square into minus 1 minus into minus plus x square. Here x square term is not there, no problem. Then you have to write here 0 into x square minus 3x. Don't write this one, as to you can leave it. Here this is plus, here minus, this one cancel. Then this is minus x square. Then this term now you have to take here 3x. Here x square term is not there, that's why you have to write here 0 into x square, here or here, no problem. Then here x square, here minus plus x, then you have to multiply it by minus x into plus x minus x square, minus into minus plus x into 1 x. Now this is plus, this is minus. Now this plus and minus cancel, 3x, this is minus x, minus 4x, minus 4x. Now here minus 4x, this is minus 1. Now you have to multiply it by minus 4. Minus 4 into x minus 4x. Minus into minus plus. Here 4 ones are 4. Now this is a plus, here minus. This one cancel. Remainder is equal to minus 5. This is correct or not? How we know that the remainder is minus 5 or not? How we know that? See here. Here x minus 1, it's a 0 value is x is equal to 1. This x is equal to 1, you have to substitute here in this polynomial. Phi of 1 is equal to, x value polynomial is 3 into 1 power 4, 4 into 1 cube, 3 into 1 minus 1. This is equal to minus 5 means this is correct. See here. Here 3 power 1, 3 power, here 3 into 1 power 4 is equal to 1. 1 into 3, 3. Here 1 power 3 is equal to 1, minus 4, minus 3, minus 1. Now see here, minus, minus cancel, plus, plus minus cancel 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 5. Remainder, minus 5. This is the example. Next problem, find the remainder. This is example 8. Example 8. Find the remainder obtained on dividing p of x is equal to x cube plus 1 by x plus 1. You have to use the long division method. X cube plus 1 divided by x plus 1. X plus 1. Now here x cube. Then x cube by x is equal to, here x1 x cancel, x square only. Here x square you have to write. X square into x cube, x square plus into 1 x square. You have to write here. Here x square. Now subtract this one. Here, or otherwise you have to write here 0 into x square plus 0 into x plus 1. Here 2 terms are missing. Only x cube plus 1 is given. Then here minus, here minus. This one cancel, minus x square, minus x square. Now you have to multiply it by, here minus x means minus x into plus x minus x square, and minus x into minus 1 plus 1 minus x. Here also write 0 into x. Now this is a plus, here also plus, this one cancel, here x only. Next you have to multiply it by 1 only. Here this plus 1 you have to write here. Then plus 1, x into 1 x, 1 plus into 1 1, here 0. Both are cancel. Then here this is a 0. This is remainder is 0. This is correct or not? How we know that? X plus 1 0 value is x is equal to minus 1. This minus 1 substitute here. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube plus 1. Here minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Thank you children watching video. Next class we have to discuss exercise 2.4.